Well, as you can see, sometimes the headlights they get dingy after a time of just using them. And so right now what we're going to do is we're going to spray some wax onto it because we don't have the paint to put a clear coat of paint over it again to make it nice and shiny looking. So we're going to just spray wax on it and wipe it all down to make it look better.
It's amazing.
It is, isn't it?
Yes. What a difference.
Now, as you can see, the headlight looks a little bit better than it did, but to make it look the best, you'd have to get that clear coat and paint over it.